Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the world of real estate investing. I'm your host, and today we're talking about REITs versus rental properties. What if I told you there's a way to save thousands on taxes? Most investors don't know about the tax savings opportunities in real estate. As a seasoned investor myself, I've spent years researching and implementing tax-efficient strategies. With over a decade of experience in real estate investing, I've worked with high-income individuals and seasoned investors to optimize their portfolios. In this video, we'll compare REITs and rental properties in a tax efficiency showdown. You'll learn how to make informed decisions about your investment portfolio and potentially save thousands on taxes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, this video will give you the insight you need to take your real estate investing to the next level. So let's get started and explore the world of tax-efficient real estate investing. Are you tired of watching your hard-earned money disappear in taxes? You're not alone. High-income individuals and seasoned investors like you are constantly looking for ways to optimize their portfolios. But what if I told you there's a way to keep more of your money? It starts with understanding the tax implications of your investments. When it comes to real estate investing, two popular options come to mind: REITs and rental properties. But which one is more tax efficient? The truth is, most investors don't know the tax savings they're missing out on. They're leaving money on the table year after year. It's time to stop throwing money at the taxman and start building wealth that lasts. So let's dive into the world of REITs and rental properties and explore the tax efficiency of each. You might be surprised at what you learn. It could change the way you invest in real estate forever. So you're a seasoned investor looking to optimize your portfolio. You want to know the secret to minimizing taxes and maximizing returns. Well, today we're going to dive into the world of REITs and rental properties. Let's face it, taxes can eat into your profits. But what if you could keep more of your hard-earned money? REITs, or real estate investment trusts, offer a tax-efficient way to invest in real estate. They allow individuals to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties without directly managing them. On the other hand, rental properties provide a more hands-on approach. You're the landlord responsible for maintenance, tenants, and everything in between. Now let's compare the two. When it comes to tax savings, REITs have a distinct advantage. They don't pay corporate taxes, which means more money in your pocket. With rental properties, you'll need to report income on your tax return, which can increase your tax liability. But rental properties do offer depreciation benefits, which can help offset taxable income. So how do you choose between REITs and rental properties? It comes down to your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you want a hands-off approach with potential for high returns, REITs might be the way to go. Companies like Fundrise offer a range of REIT options, making it easy to get started. On the other hand, if you're willing to take on more risk and responsibility, rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income. Rich Uncles is another platform that allows you to invest in rental properties with lower minimums. Ultimately, the key to tax-efficient investing is diversification. By combining REITs and rental properties, you can minimize taxes and maximize returns. So which one is better? The answer is, it depends on your individual circumstances. As a seasoned investor, you know that every investment comes with its own set of pros and cons. But with the right strategy, you can build a portfolio that generates wealth without breaking the bank. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more passive income strategies and tax-efficient investing tips. Now, if you want the tax benefits of real estate without the 2 a.m. plumbing calls, you need the right tools. That's where platforms like Fundrise come in. They let you diversify across institutional-grade properties with a fraction of the capital. Or if you're looking for more curated, high-yield opportunities, check out Rich Uncles. The result? You stop trading your time for money and start leveraging tax-efficient assets to build a legacy. Stop guessing and start optimizing. If this breakdown helped you see the tax game differently, hit that subscribe button. Check the links in the description to get started with Fundrise or Rich Uncles today. Your future self will thank you.